The next one I'm going to show you is more on the support side, and that's for the users that's making use of a cloud license. So if you go to help and you go down to license info, please, this is only for the cloud users. If you're still using a soft lock or a dongle, your license type remains on local dongle soft lock key. Only if you're buying a cloud license from us, we will assist you so that you can set up your license type to check for network license first. But here comes the announcement. Number one is that if you go to your cloud license because you would like to book out the license, so for instance you're going to a rural area and there's no internet, because that is one of the rules that if you're making use of a cloud license you need to be on the internet. So now I would like to book it out for 2 weeks or 14 days. So you're going to select your license. On your side you will have only one license. My product key, now it can be that either you're running on, say for instance, a cloud license, there's 3 budgets and 4 professionals, you only would like to book out either a professional or the budget, then you'll be able to select it from the list. In my case, I've got a professional, I want to book out this professional key to my local PC because I'm going to work offline for the next 2 weeks. So now I can tell Caddie either for 14 days, or I can be more specific and I can tell Caddie till a certain date. So I'm going to say 14 days. And then I'm going to click on a command that says use license offline detach. So I'm going to click on the command and you will see license detach successful. We're going to say OK. And as you can see, this is now your new offline license. So after 14 days, it will return to the server. Otherwise, if say for instance after 7 days, you're on the internet, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to return the license now. So all you have to do is you're going to open exactly the same command. You go to help license info, you're going to come to your cloud license, you're going to say return the license. Caddie will confirm license return successful. You're going to say OK, and as you can see there's no offline license anymore. You're going to say OK. Caddie will ask you to restart. You're going to say yes, and Caddie will restart.